What's up guys? Today I'm going to be sharing with you 5 hidden tools that you should be using for your Amazon FBA business. Now these tools are often not spoken about and they're actually just not known about by a lot of sellers. And I want to go through these with you so you understand what each can do. A lot of them are free, if not really low cost. And these are things that are just going to help you streamline your process. These are not the big tools like a Jungle Scout, a MySellerPal, Helium 10. These are lesser known tools that are going to help you in between with certain processes in your business. So let's jump in. So if you see on screen here, I've typed in pet carrier and it's also completed with backpack for me. But what's important is you can see volume, 3,600 a month, and cost per click, as well as competition 1. So where does this little box come from and how can you get that? Additionally, if I put a space in here, you can see it's going to now auto-complete further for me as usual, but I have more data points here than you probably do. 90 searches a month, 50 a month, and the cost per click and competition. So I'm going to show you how you guys can get this as well. This is called Keywords Everywhere. So I'll drop a link in the description so you can check this out. But basically, you can get those metrics for all these different sites, as you can see here: Google, YouTube, Amazon, Bing, etc. Now, there are going to be global search volume numbers. I want to be clear on that. They're not going to be directly Amazon searches, but I still love to have those to give me an inkling further to demand. And especially when I'm looking at those keywords, as we saw here, I want to know, say I'm using this as a way to find differentiation ideas. I want to see which ones have the most search volume. So you can see, for example, here, pet carrier backpack bubble has 50 a month, but pet carrier backpack airline approved had 90 a month. So airline approval is more important for this type of product. Just as an example, if I'm using this for differentiation research. So you can see where this can be really valuable for you. So Keywords Everywhere you can download for free, and you actually have a large amount of credits to start with, and then eventually you may have to purchase a few credits, but it's super low cost. You can see the average user is around $2 a month. Some, it even costs them like $4 a year. Here is the page where you can purchase credits. So you can see $10 is 100,000 credits, and 1 credit is 1 keyword. So even that is going to last for a very, very long time. So I do recommend try it out for free. See if you like it. Definitely start using it if you're not, because it's free in the beginning, and then you can upgrade. So let me show you a different example. Let's type in wood carving and let it auto-complete to tell us. And you can see here, wood carving kit, 3,600 a month, which is really good. Set, 1,300 a month. That's also really good. So let's go with kit. This is another way to do keyword research as well, because we know, okay, kit has far more search volume than set in general in the world. So this is probably a better one to have in your title, for example, than this one. And so it helps like that as well. And again, if we go to wood carving kit, those numbers pull up for us here, which is nice. Now, another thing to consider here is you can see it's highlighting green. So when does it highlight green? Well, you can actually set when that highlights green, and that could show you potential depending on what you're looking for. So let me show you how to do that. You simply find the extension, which is this one over here, and click on that. And you come down to settings. And in settings, you can actually select here the highlight color and when you wish that to highlight based on these different metrics over here. So you can also come in here and do that. You can also select which websites you wanted to show volume on. So if you want to like save credits by not having it on like Google search, you can do that as well. And maybe you don't even want it on YouTube search, and you only want it on Amazon, you could do that as well. The second tool, you can see on this page over here, I can actually just come into my orders. So again, I just come into Seller Central, orders, manage orders, and then On orders placed at least 4 days ago, but no more than 30 days ago, you can see I have this really cool button right here. I can just click on that and it's actually going to request a review from that customer. Now, how do you get that functionality? Instead of having to go into every order and do it manually through the order, how can you be able to do this on the front page like this on each individual order? And also what you can do, if you don't want to go click each order, you can do this. You can see review requests on this page. So I won't even have to manually click on each order. I can just click this button. It's going to request reviews from all of these orders. So I'm automating that and the customers get a really cool email which looks like this. And so it's really easy for them to leave a review. They don't have to follow some link or some complicated process. They can literally just rate it in that email, just put like 5 stars or 4 stars. And that's why Amazon's also moved to ratings over calling it reviews. So really good tool. You guys should be using this. And this is called Sellerize. So you can see Sellerize over here, and it's a free Chrome extension. So I'll link to this as well. Totally free currently. I would use it while it's free. Definitely start using this. Again, this is a feature which most people don't know about, don't use, and that's where your advantage comes in. But definitely start using this one as well. Once installed, you will have those cool buttons I just showed you. The third tool, you can see I have Jungle Scout open here. By the way, this tool also works with Scope if you use Scope from Seller Labs, I believe. Now you can see that the top 10 of the results in this Chrome extension, so we're on wood carving tools on this page. We've just popped open our Jungle Scout Chrome extension. You can see the top of the extension, the first 10 items here are highlighted a darker color. These are our top sellers on the page. But then what it does is it also looks at those top 10 sellers and it sees which of them have less than 50 reviews, and it highlights them green over here. And then it gives you this very cool additional section on your Chrome extension here. This is usually not present on extensions. It gives you the average price in the top 10. Currently, this did not load. I'm not sure why. Very strange. Usually it does. But then it also gives you the top 10 competitors' sales in a month. You can see over 4,000 sales between these top 10 each month. And then it will give you the number of competitors in the top 10 who have less than 50 reviews. And if this is over 3, then it will pass their test. In other words, if it passes certain tests here, it will go green. If not, it'll go red, etc. So it gives you just a quick inkling as to competition in the market. And this is useful. I can just quickly see, okay, 47 reviews, 300 sales a month. I'm just getting a really good idea quite quickly of the competition or how likely I am to sell well when I have low reviews entering this market. So I've had Proven Private Label installed for a very long time. I can't even remember when I got it, but I can see here it does have a $27 price tag. I believe this is once off though, which I really do like. As you know, recurring fees can start to add up. So about $27 is what I think you can pick this up for once off. If you use Scope or Jungle Scout, I think it's highly worth it because you're always going to have this nice additional section. The fourth tool. So you can see at the top here, we have a little camel. If we click on that, this is Camelizer. And we're on this product over here, this wood carving set, and you can see this gives us price history. So if you do not have Keeper or you don't have Helium 10, you can pick this one up for free. Camelizer is free as well, and it will give you price history. So you can see blue is third-party sellers, which is what this product is. You can see Giona LLC, the brand is Lulu Home. So that is this blue line here. It also gives you green for Amazon, but you can see Amazon is not selling on this listing, so no history for that. And then third party used, so any returned or used items, this red one over here. But just a good way to track price history and ensure that the market accepts your price level historically over a bit of time. You can also adjust date ranges here if you wish. So this one's probably less useful than the others we mentioned, but it is important in price tracking, especially if you don't have Helium 10 or Keeper, which will represent the same data. As you can see over here, if we scroll down on the blue line, Helium 10 is also giving us that price history. So a good one and free. The fifth tool. Now guys, this one is a paid tool, but I wanted to share it because it's so niche and unique and difficult to find if you're trying to do this specific thing I'm going to show you. Now this is called MySellerPal. Now on screen here guys, you can see a landing page for an Amazon product. Now this is where you would direct a customer to put in their name and email address and get a discount code. And that discount code would actually be an Amazon coupon code. So you would create a promotion under advertising on Amazon, a coupon off, and then what you would do is you come to MySellerPal and you would load those codes into promotions. So MySellerPal is an excellent tool for creating coupon code redeeming landing pages. And if you have ever had to do this, you know it's quite a difficult thing to find for Amazon. So I just wanted to share it with you. MySellerPal does have a feature which allows you to automate and do this. You grab your coupon codes from Amazon, you put them into promotions on MySellerPal, then you create a landing page on MySellerPal. Now you have a URL to this cool landing page, and from a Facebook ad or from a product insert, you can, from pretty much anywhere, you can direct customers to get that coupon code off in an automated way. So this is a great tool to have as well if you're looking to do that kind of thing. It took me time to find something that worked well like this, so I hope it helps you. And before you go, please do hit that like button for me if you did get value from this. Let me know in the comments which of these you like most. Remember to subscribe if you like this content, you want more from me. But as usual guys, thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.